Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix CSGO crashing on startup and black screen. Right, so first of all, make sure that your OS and graphic card have the latest updates. So go to check for updates and see if you have the latest updates on your OS and on your GPU. Here, if you're using GeForce Experience as well, as you can see here, you can go to drivers and check for updates here, and if you check if you have the latest updates, and then go to Steam client, go to library, go to Counter-Strike Global Offense here, right click on it, go to properties, on general, make sure that you're using these launch options, minus auto config and minus windowed, and I will leave this in the comment section below so you can easily paste it. And then go to local files, browse, and delete this basically application launcher. And after you delete, then go back on local files and press verify integrity of the game files. So basically this step will prevent you from corrupted files, and maybe you have some missing files, so it will restore everything. And after you do that, then you need to go back on the browse option, then CSGO, go to properties, compatibility, and make sure that all the boxes is unchecked here, right? And that's pretty much it what you need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.